What is good, guys? Today we're gonna be getting a little bit lost in the sand dunes, quad biking, ripping around, and conquering Clutch Hill. So yeah, lots in store today. Get ready, here we go. So what's up, guys? We're just headed off to the Stockton sand dunes at the moment. Not too far from Newcastle, it's about a 40-minute drive. If you guys are coming from Sydney, it's about 3 hours, but definitely worth it. Beautiful spot, and it's a beautiful day. It's about 27 degrees outside, no clouds, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, it should be a warm one. Alright guys, so we've made it to the service station. Good old Metro. So this is where you're gonna get your fuel. There are no petrol stations on the beach. So yeah, definitely make sure you get out with a full tank of fuel. Last thing you want is to be stranded. This is also where you're gonna grab your beach permit. Beach permit is $33, I believe, for 3 days, or $80 for a year. So yeah, I come out here quite often, so I have the year. But make sure you get it. The rangers are out there and they will book you. So yeah, just make sure you check out good old Metro service station, and let's get out there. Alright, we've made it to the deflation area, and now, very important, gotta deflate the tires. You don't deflate tires, oof, you're gonna get bogged. Basically when you get bogged, tires dig into the sand, you don't go anywhere, not a great place to be. So you wanna make sure that you deflate your tires normally around 15, but since I'm in the Forester, not a 4-wheel drive, it's an all-wheel drive, so I will be deflating to 12 psi just to be safe. Can never be too safe. Much better than getting bogged, especially while you're out here all alone. So yeah, here we go. Check out the Foz. This is the baby. Ooh, look at that behind. Looking kind of sexy. She goes around in the sand. Foresters go pretty well in the sand just because they are pretty light, and the all-wheel drive system in these cars are pretty good. So there's been plenty of times where I go skating by a bogged 4-wheel drive that they kind of just a little embarrassed when I go zooming by. But yeah, here we go. So she is ready. Let's get out there. Hopefully it's not too soft. Hopefully we don't get bogged. So guys, my friends that I used to work with are out here. It's just fingers crossed they let me hop on one. Today is a beautiful day and it'd be perfect to get out here. Let's see if they'll let me get on them. Alright guys, our first time getting bogged, but no worries. If you do get bogged, just stop and reverse, and it should be alright. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. And look at that. Unbogged in seconds.
Yo sé que te gusta.
Alrighty, we've made it to this beautiful spot. Got like a nice little oasis going. I think it's time to post up for a minute and make some lunch. Seems like a perfect little spot. No complaints here. Cheers. And here we've got some yummy curry surprise. That should last me at least while I'm out here. That's all I got, so sure hope I don't get sick of curry. But I love curry, so that's alright. So yeah, just taking the view. Oh, you always finish your food before you bring it along. That's all I got to eat for a few days, and it needs salt. So good though. Just please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Yeah, it helps me produce more content like this, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, just hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. Clutch Hill. This is one of the biggest dunes on this side of the beach, and we're gonna try to conquer it in falls. So yeah, hopefully good luck for us. I don't know if you can really see it. There it is. Yeah, it's a big one. Call it Clutch Hill because on busy summer days, all the big four-wheel drives will come up here trying to conquer it, and you can smell the clutch going all the way down the beach. The wind just wafts it down. So yeah, that's why they call it Clutch Hill. Cause yeah, you'll burn out the clutch. So yeah, let's see how the falls does. Normally it's just right over there, but today the sand has moved around a bit, so it's not super hectic. So we're gonna try the other side of Clutch Hill, and it's looking a bit steep. Yeah, fingers crossed. Here we go. Alright guys, so that about wraps it up for today. I'm all settled in. Make sure you guys tune in next week for part 2. We'll be continuing up the beach. We'll go check out Tin City. It's an off-grid city in the middle of the sand dunes where people still live. So that should be pretty cool. And then we'll get to the other end of the beach. We'll do some camel riding through the desert and on the beach. So yeah, it should be exciting. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below. It really helps out the channel. So thank you very much, and have a good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning.